and today I wanna share something with you guys. Yesterday at Moja shared everything, so I wanna add a few things like how to adjust a form with within a table or in a table, and how to hyperlink a button with the page. So we will start with the HTML. You know, the basic thing is to write HTML and to close the HTML bracket. After that, let me just yes. After that, we can write about the body, or we can write about the head first. Head. Recording, sir. Okay, so I haven't recorded yet. Just a moment, sir. Sir, after I start recording, I will start from the beginning, right?
Recording in progress.
So, hello guys, this is ZABIHULLAH, one of your classmates, and today I want to share something about how to hyperlink a pattern on a page, and how to adjust a form. At first, you have to write HTML page title and all of that, as you all know. After this, we can write title, anything we wanna write, we can write it. So I wanna write form. After that, we should open a body bracket, and we should also close it. Here. Now in here we wanna make a form. Make a form. Let me just save this once. Here. I'll just make a new folder here. My computer is a little bit slow, so it's not working. Here it is. I want to save it with the name of form.html. Let me just go and find the file. Here. Here we made an HTML page. So at the first, it will look like this because we just add a title on it, nothing else. After that, in the body, we can add. At first, we can add a background color. Background color. Like maybe yellow. Control S. Here we got a background. After that, we wanna make a table in this. So we just write table bracket. the last we will close the bracket. In the table, as you all know, we should add rows. So TR for the table row. In the table row, we should add table data. After that, I wanna add a text in here like name. After that, I wanna close the table data, and here I want it to come. My table will have 2 columns, so I will span this to become 2 columns. I will merge the columns. Will span like 2. And here I will just close the table row because this was my first row. And now I wanna make another row. By that I will make also table data that will come in my first row, first column. So here I wanna input some place or some space to write the text. Input type. Now in the input type we can add in the type we can add like text, and I will close the table data. After that, we'll close table row. In here also I wanna make it in 2 columns because after this we will make father name and like maybe last name in a same row. So we take it as 2 columns. We make 2 columns, and for this we will just add 1 column, and after that we will add 2 columns. So we just merge 2 columns into 1 here with the column span equals 2. Now we want to, sorry, I want to save it. Now we'll just reload. Here, look, here came a name and the place to write the name. So when we add 2 columns, so how to make it longer? So that will come up to here or maybe here. So for that we have to add in here like size equals to maybe 100. Now I saved it, and now here find it, we make it longer to have, if we have a longer text, or maybe we want to adjust the form in a better way. After this, the next table. In here we will have father's name, and the last name. Last name. And at last we will close the table row. Yes, we got that. We made father's name and last name. So let's make it in the center so it will look a little bit good. So after the body, we'll make a center, and at the last, before the body ends, we should write a close bracket for the center here, so it will come on the center. Now we have to add a place to write text for the father's name and also the last name. So we just add this one. We just copy and paste. Should write table row first. After that, we will copy that, and we will erase the table column span, because the column span, because it should come in just one column, and the size should be 50, because half of the table should come one text area and the other half should come the other. So we should write it for 50 or maybe 40. And we need another one for the last name. So I just copy it and paste it. It's the first column for the text area of the father's name and last name. And here we will just end up the table row. Now I just save it, and here we got this. If we want to adjust this one with this one, so we should simply increase the size, like 50. Or maybe decrease it. So with like this, we can adjust a form in a table. We should write the input types in the tables, because we have less time. So I will go forward for the buttons. From here, I will get a new page, and I will add some buttons. For this, we don't need to add any title or not. It's not compulsory to add titles. So we will start with the body. Here we will in the body, we can add table also to add the buttons on the table. So we can add a table. Here we will close the table bracket. Now in the table, we should have a heading. So I will have a heading by the name of menu, maybe. Table row for the first one, and table heading, th for table heading, and I will close the table heading and also the table row. In here, in the table heading, anything we want, we can write it, like menu. I will add menu. So here we will have 5 buttons. So I will add 5 columns for the table by the column span. I will merge 5 columns into one for the heading. So I will just write here 5. Control S. I will save it with that by the 2.html or maybe menu.html. .html. Let me just open it here. Menu.html. We will make it center from here. Start of the table. Center, and at the after the end of the table. So the table will come in the center. Center here. We got in the center. After that, I will add some buttons. So at the first, I will add here table row. After that, I will add table data to divide every cell. So we should add table data. After that, I will close the table data. Table data. So in here, we will add input type. Input type. Type. What should be the type of input? We need some buttons, so we will add some buttons. And what should be the name of the buttons? So we will write here value, and in the value we'll add the name of the button. Maybe we should write form or home. At first we will add home, and after that we will write the form and others. So here we got the button, and I will just copy 8 and paste it 5 times because we need 5 buttons. Here I just pasted 5 times, so we will need 5 buttons. And here we got 5 buttons. This is a little bit small, so we want to make it a little bit bigger, the buttons. So we just add here weight. Weight, maybe we can write 100. Let's see what happened here. No changes. Just let me. So let be the way about the weight. We'll just start a hyperlink. We need to hyperlink every button to a new page. So we will need 4 to 5 page here. We have only 1 page, so I will add something. Some pages I already made it. So here we have 3 pages. Here, just add these pages because we don't have much time to make all the pages. So here, for the hyperlink, what should we do? We should simply add the a bracket. After that, let me just write it here, make all simple to know it better. Yes, we have 5 buttons, and we want to hyperlink every button with the page. So we simply add a, after that paragraph. reference, and we add the file name. Like the first will be home, so I will simply write 2.html, 2.html. And after that, we will close the A bracket here. Now, let's go to the form. Refresh it here. With this, yes, we got that. We hyperlink a button with the another page. With this, any button you wanna add, you can add, and after that, you just hyperlink the button with the another form. And here I wanna, maybe I can add this with right home, and we made a form, so we'll add form in this HTML, so it will be linked with the form page. See, anything you want to hyperlink with, we can do it. So the next one I will add with the another, I will link it with another page here. So I will erase the name and make it 2.html. Value of what, sir? Okay. So I'm okay, sir. So I'm doing it. So anything if we write in the value, it will appear on the name of the button. In value, we will add form. Control S. And let me just save it first. Form. Yes. Look, in the value we write a form, so it came form. After home, we have here placement. So at the name of the button, we should write placement. Here, we should also do. We should also close the bracket for A. So we just add A, and here in the value we just simply write placement. So here, the name of the button simply changed to placement. Now about the value, the second one, about the value, which file should we just link it with? I write 3. Let's see which file is number 3. After that, we will change the value. So here is the gallery. So we will just simply change the value to gallery. Here, the name of the button just changed into gallery. We wanted to add 5 buttons. Where table row will end. Like this, we can we can just hyperlink all the buttons with the with another pages. Like we can add here 4. And you can also adjust the background color, or maybe any picture you want to add. Anything you want, you will be able to do that here with home. So that was contact us. So we will just rename it with contact us. Anything you want to add, you will just need to write in the volume. And about the size of the button, just give me a moment. Just give me a moment and I will share with you. Here we got it. Here for the buttons, we'll write. We should just use the CNSS coding, like for the weight and height of the button. I will just copy the CNSS coding from here for the button height and weight. Here we got the buttons here, and at the button we just copy the CNSS coding, which is this one. Style equals to background color. Maybe we can also change the color or we want. And weight, we will adjust the weight from here. Let me just save it first. Control S, and now we'll just refresh it. Look, the form changed. From the first one, we can adjust the color here. Maybe we want the background of the color, the background of the button should be red. We just write red, and it appears red. And about the text of the name of the color, we can add it anything we want. White, maybe we need it orange. Here we have it orange, or maybe black. So this is a simple coding of CNSS for adjusting the width and height of the, and also the color of the buttons in the HTML. We'll just use it for the HTML here. It appears with the black color. And if we want to adjust the width, so we will just decrease or increase this 158 after the weight. We'll just add 120. So this will change the width of the button. See, it just changed. We can add others also, like maybe we can decrease it with 30. So the form button will change. See, the weight and the height. The weight and the height we can change like this. So that's we can also add this style to other buttons, so they will seem like this also. We just simply paste it in the input type bracket. We should add the style in the input type bracket, so it will appear on the button. Here, simply save it, and the form will change. Let me just what happened to the button, sir?
ए एंकर को क्लोज कर दो.
Which one?
ए एंकर क्लोज कर दो. अच्छी सा क्लोज को हाइपरलिंक है. 10 दूसरे.
Yes. I forgot to close the hyperlink bracket in these ones. Yes. What happened with the buttons? Maybe the weight is too much for that. Simply at 100. 100. So I don't know what happened to the buttons, why they're not showing. Sir, can you hear me? I don't know, sir. No, sir. I don't know what happened with the buttons. Why they're not showing. Okay, so just give me a second. Now it's showing itself. Yes, from the first one, we'll just simply copy that. Control C and add the same in here. Let me, yes, now it's showing it. Yeah. So this was all I wanted to share with you guys. So about the hyperlink of the buttons with another HTML pages, and also about the height and width of the buttons, and about adjusting the forms, adjusting the input types in a table. I mentioned all of that. So I will stop saying these from here. That was all I wanted to say. Thank you, guys.
Recording stopped.
Thank you, sir.
राइट सर मेरा आज नेटवर्क का थोड़ा सा इशू था, थोड़ा सा ज्वाइन नहीं कर सका, क्लास के हैंड में ज्वाइन हो गया। ओके।